You've tried to meditate. You close your eyes, the silence is overwhelming, and your thoughts just won't stop, right? What if the secret isn't about fighting the noise in your head, but about getting lost in the quiet of the cosmos? What if you could learn to meditate not by shutting your eyes to the world, but by opening your mind to the endless beauty of the stars? Stick with me, and I'll be your guide on your very first cosmic journey. First off, why does this work so well, especially if you've had a tough time meditating before? Let's be real. The idea of a perfectly still, totally silent mind is a myth for most of us. Our minds are made to think, to wander, and yes, to worry. When you sit in silence and try to slam the brakes on that process, it usually just gets louder. It's like being told not to think about a purple elephant. Suddenly, that's all you can see. And that's where the stars come in. Instead of forcing an internal battle, we're going to use an external focus point. Stargazing meditation sidesteps many of the usual frustrations for beginners. The massive scale and beauty of the cosmos naturally help you relax and give your attention a soft place to land without needing rigid concentration. As you look up, either with your actual eyes or in your imagination, you just slow down. You start to feel a natural sense of calm, becoming more aware of your breath and body. It's a gentle on-ramp to a state of mindfulness. The goal isn't to have an empty mind, it's to fill it with something so vast and beautiful that the day-to-day worries and mental chatter start to shrink in comparison. We're swapping out the chaotic noise for a deep, cosmic quiet. So, how do we get started? It's way simpler than you might think and boils down to 3 steps we'll go through together. First, get comfortable. Second, connect with your breath. And third, open your inner eye to the stars. Let's start with step 1, comfort. This is non-negotiable. You can't relax if your body is tense or awkward. You've got options here. You could sit in a comfy chair, leaning back so your neck is supported. You could be standing, feeling your feet planted firmly on the ground. Or, my personal favourite for this journey, lying down. Maybe on a blanket, in your bed, or even right on the grass if you're outside. Just find a position that feels supported and warm, and let your muscles completely let go. Step 2 is the breath. Your breath is your anchor. It's the steady rhythm that keeps you grounded while we journey outward. You don't have to do anything special with it, just notice it. We'll start by simply observing its natural flow. In a bit, I'll introduce a simple breathing pattern to deepen your relaxation. But for now, just know that your breath is your most reliable friend on this trip. When your mind wanders, and it will, you can always gently guide your focus back to the simple feeling of breathing. And the third step, opening your inner eye. This is all about visualization. For our meditation, we'll be taking a trip purely in our imagination. You don't need a clear night sky outside. We're going to create one in our minds that's more vivid than anything you could see from a city. Visualization is an incredibly powerful tool. Your mind and body can respond to what you imagine as if it's real. By picturing ourselves floating among the stars, we can tap into powerful feelings of awe, peace, and connection. And hey, don't worry if you think you're not good at this. It's not about seeing a perfect HD movie in your head. It's about inviting in the feeling, the idea of floating in space. Just letting the words wash over you is more than enough. So, to recap, a comfy spot, a gentle focus on your breath, and a willingness to imagine. That's all you need. You're ready. Now that you know the basics, let's take that journey to the stars together. Alright, let's begin. Wherever you are, just let yourself settle into your chosen position. If you're lying down, let your arms rest gently by your sides, maybe with your palms facing up in a gesture of receiving. Let your feet fall naturally to the sides. If you're sitting, make sure your spine feels long but relaxed, with your feet flat on the floor. Make any last little adjustments you need to feel completely supported. And whenever you feel ready, gently close your eyes. First, bring your awareness to your body. Notice where your body meets the surface beneath you. Feel the pull of gravity, a gentle weight that's holding you secure. Now, let's start to release any tension you're holding on to. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly and chest expand. And as you exhale through your mouth, let out a quiet sigh. Just release. Let's do that one more time. A long, slow inhale, drawing in a sense of calm, and a full, complete exhale, letting go of the day. Now, just let your breath return to its natural, easy rhythm. No need to control it. Just watch it. Feel the gentle rise of your chest and belly as you breathe in, and the soft fall as you breathe out. To deepen this feeling of relaxation, we'll use a simple breathing pattern. You can follow along with me, or just keep breathing naturally. It's called the 4-7-8 breath. We'll breathe in for a count of 4, hold it for 7, and then exhale for 8. Let's try it. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale with a soft whoosh sound. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let it all go. Again, breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale, releasing, letting go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. Breathe in calm. 2, 3, 4. Hold in stillness. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And breathe out tension. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, simply let your breath find its own effortless rhythm again. Feel your body getting heavier, softer, more and more relaxed. Now, I invite you to bring your attention to the space around you. In your mind's eye, picture yourself in your own familiar room, but something's different. The ceiling above you starts to fade, becoming transparent. You can see right through it to the night sky. At first, it's a deep indigo blue, the color of twilight just after the sun has set. And as you watch, that blue deepens into a soft, velvety black. In that blackness, a single star appears. Just one tiny brilliant point of light, then another, and another. Soon, the entire sky above you is filled with thousands, then millions of twinkling diamonds scattered across black velvet. You begin to feel a gentle, upward pull. A feeling of lightness starts in your feet, like a soft, pleasant tingling. This wave of lightness moves slowly up through your legs and your hips, dissolving all weight and tension as it passes. It drifts up through your torso, across your chest and shoulders, and down your arms to your fingertips. Finally, it moves into your neck and head, soothing the muscles in your face, your jaw, your forehead. Your entire body is now held in a state of serene, weightless calm. You are floating peacefully and safely. You drift upward, gently, with no effort at all. You pass right through the memory of your ceiling and find yourself outside, under the vast open sky. The air is cool and perfectly still. You keep rising, leaving the sounds of the world far behind. The houses shrink into small squares of light, and then they're gone. The earth below becomes a beautiful marble sphere of blue, white, and green. You are in orbit. You are floating among the stars. Take a look around. This is a space of infinite peace. The silence here isn't empty, it's full of wonder, full of possibility. There are no to-do lists here, no deadlines, no racing thoughts. There's only this moment. There is only peace. You are a point of pure awareness, floating in an ocean of tranquility. Before you, a great river of light pours through the darkness. It's the Milky Way, our galactic home, a shimmering band of countless suns, like a celestial river of diamond dust. You feel an overwhelming sense of awe and connection to this immense, beautiful tapestry. You see distant galaxies, swirling spirals of light, each one home to billions of other stars, billions of other worlds. You see nebulae, vast cosmic clouds where new stars are being born, painting the darkness with vibrant shades of pink, purple and gold. Every star you see, from the brightest beacon to the faintest glimmer, is a reminder of the infinite light that also lives within you. You aren't separate from this. You are a part of it. The very same elements forged in the heart of stars are inside your own body. You are, quite literally, made of stardust. If thoughts arise, and they might, just see them as distant meteors. Watch them streak across the vastness of your awareness and then fade away. There's no need to follow them or figure them out. Just let them pass. Your focus is here, in the heart of the cosmos. Allow yourself to simply be, to float, to exist in this profound state of calm. You are safe. You are held. You are connected to everything. There is nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to be. Just this perfect, silent, shimmering peace. Slowly, gently, it's time to begin the journey back. But you'll bring this peace back with you. Your awareness begins to drift back toward that beautiful blue and white marble down below. You descend just as gently as you rose, back through the layers of the atmosphere. You float back down toward your home through the transparent ceiling and settle softly back into your body. Feel yourself reconnecting with your physical form. Feel the weight of your body again, the comforting sensation of being grounded and held by the surface beneath you. Bring your awareness back to the rhythm of your breath. Feel the air filling your lungs. Feel that life force within you. When you're ready, you can start to bring small, gentle movements back to your body. Maybe by wiggling your fingers and toes, or perhaps slowly turning your head from side to side. Just be gentle as you reawaken your muscles. Take one last deep breath in, filling yourself with gratitude for this journey. And as you breathe out, feel a sense of deep, lasting peace. When you feel ready, and only when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. Return into the room, but bringing the vastness of the cosmos back with you. Notice how you feel. Notice the calm. And know that you can return to this place, this feeling, anytime you need to. The stars are not just above you, they are within you. Thank you for taking this journey with me today. If this meditation resonated with you, I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe for more journeys into mindfulness. I'm especially curious to hear what you saw among the stars, so please share your experience in the comments below. Carry this peace with you. Shine your light.